Find the dimensions of a rectangle whose perimeter is 28 meters and whose area is 40 square meters. Given that the perimeter of a rectangle is 28 meters and the area of the rectangle is 40 square meters. So the perimeter of a rectangle is given as 28 meters. We know that the formula for perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. So 2 into L plus B is equals to 28. So transposing this 2 on the other side, that will be 28 divided by 4, which is equals to 14. So L plus B, length plus breadth, is equals to 14. Now we can transpose breadth on the other side. So L is equals to 14 minus B. So considering this as equation 1. Now the other condition which is given in the question is the area of the rectangle is given as 40 square meters. So we know that the area of the rectangle formula is length times breadth, L into B. So L into B is equals to 40 meters. Now from equation 1, we know that L is equals to 14 minus B. Substituting this L is equals to 14 minus B in place of the L here. So that will be 14 minus B into B is equals to 40. Now multiplying with this B, so 14 into B is 14B, minus B into B is minus B square is equals to 40. Now transposing this minus B square and 14B on the other side, that will be plus B square minus 14B plus 40 is equals to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation and it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Now we need to find the roots of this equation in order to find the breadth of the rectangle. So for finding the roots of the equation by splitting the middle term method, so we need to find any two numbers whose sum is equals to minus 14 and the product is equals to 40 into 1. So for that we will take the factors of 40, which is minus 10 and minus 4. So the sum will be minus 14 and the product is 40. So in place of the middle term minus 14b, we can substitute minus 10b minus 4b. So the equation will be b square minus 10b minus 4b plus 40 is equals to 0. Now from the first two terms we can take b common and the last two terms we can take minus 4 common. So from the first two terms, if we take b common, one b is remained here and minus 10 is remained here. And in these two terms, we can take minus 4 common. So b is remained here and minus 10 is remained here. Now in these two terms, b into b minus 10 and minus 4 into b minus 10, we have b minus 10 common. So if we take b minus 10 common, b is remained here and minus 4 is remained here. Now b is equal b minus 4 into b minus 10 is equals to 0. So either b minus 4 is equals to 0 or b minus 10 is equals to 0, or both can be true. So if we take b is equals to 4, since b minus 4 is equals to 0, b is equals to 4, then length is equals to 14 minus b according to the first equation. So substituting the value of b is equals to 4 here. So L is equals to 14 minus 4, which is equals to 10. Suppose if we take b minus 10 is equals to 0, b will be 10 and L will be 4. So we will consider the first part, b minus 4 is equals to 0, because length is greater than the breadth in a rectangle. So this will be the length and this will be the breadth. So length will be 4 and breadth is equals to 4.